Good morning, student. So, previous class we also discussed the preparation of the potassium dichromate. So, we discussed the properties of the potassium dichromate. Physical properties. When discussed about the structures, they have a tetrahedron structures of the chromatin CrO4 2 minus and dichromatin have a two tetrahedron. Two structures are fused together by oxygens and the bond between the chromium and oxygen is 126 degree. Physical properties. Potassium dichromate is an red solid crystal and it is moderately soluble in cold water, but it is freely soluble in the hot waters. When discuss about the chemical properties, so when the alkali added in potassium dichromate solutions, its color change yellow. The main color is orange, but it can be changed into the yellow color due to formation of the chromatins. Dichromate change into the chromatins, then it change the colors into yellow. On acidification of the chromatins, again it can be changed into the dichromatins. This the chromatins yellow color become into the orange, so it is the equilibriums can be interconvertible. Dichromate change into chromate and chromate change into the dichromates. The oxidation state of the both condition chromate and dichromate are same. There are no changing the oxidation states. Oxidizing action. The another chemical property is the oxidizing. Sodium and potassium dichromate both are the powerful or strong oxidizing agent in the acidic medium. So the reaction is acidic medium is this change into the another way. Reduce. You will know about this. It is the ionic equation and class 11th redox reactions it is discussed. The acidified K2Cr2O7 will be oxidized and it can be changed the iodide to the iodine. Iodine change into the iodine gas. Or when add these equations it become the this type. It is the ionic equation of this. Sulfide to the sulfur. Sulfide can be oxidized and get reduced to sulfur. Tin second to tin fourth oxidation this way, or the total complete reaction iron second to iron third this way. So it is the chemical properties oxidizing property of the potassium dichromate. Usage of potassium dichromate as a primary volumetric reagents. It is used in volumetric analysis for identification of sulfur, identification of iodine, iron, etc. And the preparation of the several chromium compounds in dyeing, painting, industries, in photography. So it is the usage of potassium dichromates. Next compound in the KMnO4 potassium permanganate. So how can we prepare the KMnO4? It is prepared commercially by the fusion of the manganese dioxide, which is the minerals obtained from mines, with the potassium carbonate or the potassium hydroxide in the presence of air and oxidizing agent potassium nitrate or potassium chlorate can also be used in this case added to the oxidation process. The manganese dioxide and potassium hydroxide reacted together in presence of air, formation of dipotassium magnates. When fused mass is extracted with the waters, the green color solution treated with the chlorine, ozone or carbon dioxide to obtain the KMnO4. This potassium magnate solution can be treated with chlorines or carbon dioxide or ozones. It becomes changed to the potassium permanganates. And the salt undergo disprotonation reactions. Acidic or neutral solution, it becomes changed into the ionic KMnO4 dipotassium magnate change into the potassium permanganates and manganese oxide and waters and the ions. It can also show in the ionic equation also. Commercially, at large scale, it can be prepared by the alkaline oxidative fusion of the manganese dioxide by the electrolytic oxidation. By using the anode and cathode, it can be obtained large scales. Manganese dioxide fused with the potassium hydroxide and oxidized in presence of airs or potassium nitrate change into the magnet ions. At anode, the magnet ion become formation to the permanganate ion. When apply the electricity, it change into the permanganate ions. At a cathodes, the acidic medium, it become evolution of the gas. Laboratory methods in the small scales, it can be prepared by the manganese second salt by the potassium peroxosulfate ions and a salt of manganese reacted together to form the 2MnO4 magnet ions and sulfate and hydrogens. It indicates the reaction carried out in neutral or acidic mediums and the structures. So magnet and the permanganate both have the tetrahedral structure, but in case of the magnet ions, it is green colors. Why they show the green colors? It is about the DD transition, means it can appear a color at the visible range of lights. It have a no unpaired electrons, so it is a paramagnetic. Their magnetic behavior is paramagnetic characters, and permanganate ion is diamagnetic because it have presence of the unpaired electrons, and its color is the purple colors. Physical properties: the potassium permanganate is dark purple crystalline solids. It is soluble in waters and it is thermally unstable. Next one is chemical properties. We discuss later.